Fluffy, back with another video. For today's video, I'll be making jerk chicken. You heard me, jerk chicken. Nice, quick, simple, easy take on how to make a Jamaican classic jerk chicken. This is gonna be my first time making it. So let me know what y'all think about the recipe, the ingredients, and how I whip this thing up. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please hit that red button and turn on your notification. Turn on your notifications so you can be updated, so you can know every time that I post. If you already subscribed, thank you for returning. Thank you for being a part of the fluffiness. Your girl appreciates you, okay? I appreciate you. I appreciate y'all, okay? Without further ado, let's get into this video. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, so this is what you're gonna need to make the jerk chicken. I'm using chicken thighs. You can use legs, you can use the wings, you can use the breast, whatever part of the chicken you want to use. You can use it. It doesn't matter. It's all about the seasoning that you're gonna put on it. So over here, to make the jerk season, you're gonna need bell pepper, jalapeno. You can use the Scotch bonnet, but they only have habanero pepper, so that's what I'm using. Piece of ginger, garlic, onions, thyme. I got some more garlic over there, minced garlic, hot sauce, hot pepper sauce. You can use that if you want to, but you really don't. That's optional. I got my browning, I got my soy sauce, have some oil, vinegar, and little bit of sugar. I don't have any brown sugar, so I'm just gonna use white sugar. It doesn't even matter. You don't even have to put sugar in there. And for the seasoning, the other seasoning for the chicken that I'm gonna put on chicken, y'all already know. If y'all don't know by now, y'all tripping. My adobo, my Creole seasoning, and I'm gonna go in with my chili powder. So first thing first, I'm gonna cut these up and I'm gonna blend them. I'm just push the chicken aside, cause that's later on. Let me get up into this one. That's what we're gonna be focusing on, okay? That's the main focus. I'm gonna just peel my ginger. Make sure you can see. Take the skin off. I'm just cut it in two, just like that. I'm gonna throw it in there. I'm gonna throw my garlic cloves in there as well. Guys, I already rinsed these off. I'm just cut the tip off. And I'm gonna cut it down the middle. And I'm gonna do it like that. I'm gonna throw this bad boy in there, just like that. This. I'm gonna put the whole thing. If y'all don't like spicy food, then you can definitely use half. I'm gonna use the whole thing in there. And I'm going with my big onion. I'm saving my small onion to make gravy or the topping for the jerk chicken. So I'm gonna save that small onion for that. Or maybe I can use some of this one. Should be good, yeah. I'm gonna save that for later. Let's get up in my bell pepper. I'm just use half of this. Make sure you get the seed out for the bell pepper. Yeah, I know. Leave the seed in for the hot pepper, but take it out for the bell pepper. Yes, matter road. You cut these big because we're gonna blend them up. Just stuff it in there. Stuff everything in there. Get down in there. Get down, get down. Alright, I'm gonna get my minced garlic add some in here. Definitely garlicky. I'm gonna go with my vinegar. I'm just add just enough, just a little bit. I'm gonna go with my oil. Yes, 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 yes. So good. Oh, I almost forgot my thyme. We're just gonna put the whole thing in there. I'll rinse this off. Just gonna stuff it in there. Stuff everything up in there. Yes. So I'm gonna go in with my soy sauce. Wash my hands. Just add a little bit. That's good enough. Then I'm gonna go with my browning. The browning is gonna give it its color, that brown color that we want. That should be good enough. Then I'm gonna go with my hot pepper sauce. You can also use this for the end after you finish making your jerk chicken. You add this at the end if you want more spice. And then I'm gonna go with my brown sugar. Yeah, I wish it was brown sugar, right? Just go with my regular sugar. So if I could cover this bad boy up. Cover this bad boy up. Yes. So I'm gonna blend this up, guys, and then I'll be right back. Looks good. All right, guys, so I just finished blending up everything. So this how it looks. Looks good to me. Looks good to me. So I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna add my adobo. Just season up the chicken real good. Season that bad boy up. I'm gonna go with my Creole seasoning. Creole seasoning. And my chili powder. Just put a little bit. Not too much. Because this is where all the flavor is. This is where all the beauty is gonna come from. Get y'all up in there. I know it looks weird, but trust me. Trust me, it's gonna be divine. Ooh, maybe I could save the rest for later. Something else. And I'm gonna add some onions, some thyme, and some bell pepper in here. And make sure you put on a pair of gloves because this mess is spicy. You don't want too much spice. Don't want too much spice on your hand. Burning up. Don't be burning up. Oh, yes. This looks so good. You know, I'm gonna pour the rest of this in there because I don't need the rest. This looks so crazy. It looks so crazy. Woo. But trust me, we're gonna put this in the fridge, let it marinate overnight. Man, nobody can tell me nothing. When all this flavor and seasoning get up in this chicken, yo, it's gonna be so good. So good. Wow, this looks so good. Can't wait to show y'all the end results. So tomorrow when the done. Alright guys, so that's it. That's the marination process. That's all you need. Season up your meat. We're just gonna put it in the fridge. Let it marinate overnight. or you can let it sit for a couple hours, but overnight is the way to go. So you get everything soaked up in there. So yeah, catch y'all tomorrow. Alright guys, so I just pulled out my chicken. It's been marinated for 24 hours. Yes guys, I just put in the fridge and let it just sit there and do its thing. Take a look inside. Wow, this looks so good already. So remember, I'm coming in with a glove, with one pair of gloves. And I'm gonna just mix this in. Just mix it around. You see that? Looks so good. You're gonna need one pan. We're just gonna put it in the oven. Put it in the oven for about 30 minutes and let it cook up for a little bit. Remember I told y'all I'm gonna save the rest of the gravy, well, the rest of this to make gravy to put on top of it. Yes. Well, and I'm just using chicken thighs. Looks so good. So good already. Wow. Looks so good. I'm not gonna put anything over it. I'm gonna just put it in the oven just like so. Let me zoom in on that. I swear this looks like some clay that you put on your face, like a face mask. But I'm gonna just put this in the oven just like that. I'm not gonna put anything over it. I'm just leave it like that. And I got my temp on 350. So I'm gonna save that. Don't throw this away. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna just use some of it. So I'm gonna put it in the oven 30 minutes and then I'll be right back. Let me zoom up on that. Yum. Alright, guys. So we're gonna make our sauce. I'm gonna go in with my mixture. I'm gonna just add 1 spoon of this. Right now my temp is on medium high. I'm gonna add some more. Try and get all the onions and the bell pepper out. Just add that like this. Mix. I'm gonna cut my temp to high. And I'm gonna go in with some Coca-Cola. Just a little bit, not too much. You don't need that much. Then I'm gonna go in with some ketchup. Make sure you put your ketchup, not too much, not too little. That is so helpful, right? Very descriptive. Then I'm gonna go in with some soy sauce. Just a dab on that. I'm gonna add some adobo. Not too, let me zoom in on here. Zoom in on that. You don't want too much adobo. Then I'm gonna add some black pepper. And I'm going with my sofrito. Alright, so I'm gonna add some sofrito in here. Not too much. What am I doing? Just mix that around. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. So if I get a close up on this. It looks dark, but it's not. It's actually not dark. With the ketchup in there, it gives it a little nice color to it. Just add a dab of water. Ooh. So good. I still have my chicken in the oven cooking. Guys, don't mess with your chicken. Let the chicken do its thing, okay? Let the chicken be. So I'm gonna just cut my temp to medium low and just let this gravy thicken up. Let it thicken up. Wish y'all could see that. I wish y'all could see it, but y'all can't. Hold on. Oh, kinda. Yes, just a little bit. Alright guys, so come back. Alright guys, so I pulled out my chicken. I drained all the excess gravy, juice, liquid, whatever you want to call it. You know, chicken produces a lot of liquid. So this is a sauce. It's a close up on it. Nice and pretty. So I'm gonna just brush the sauce over it. Then I'm gonna put in the oven for 15 minutes or so. 15 minutes or so. Then I'm gonna flip it over and put it on the other side. Make sure you get all over the chicken. And this juice right here, I'm gonna save it for something else. Don't be wasting your juice. You could definitely reuse it. Serves a great purpose. And thinking you don't want to overcook your chicken. They don't know that chicken don't take long for cook at all. I really want to see if it's really spicy. Woo! That's what I want to know. So if I can handle the heat. If you can't handle the heat, get out of the kitchen. Get out of the kitchen. So I'm gonna put that in the oven. There you go. A little close up on that. I'm gonna put it in the oven and let it cook up some more. Alright guys, so I just pulled out my chicken. It looks so good. So what I did was I added my sauce on top of it, put it in the oven for about 10 minutes, then took it out, added some more sauce, and then put it under broil for about 10 minutes so you can get that nice, beautiful brownness that we're looking for. And there you go. I swear this light does this chicken no justice. But trust me, nope. It's not burnt. So I'm gonna plate these bad boys up. I'm gonna plate up some of them at least. Presentation is key, right? Presentation is key to everything. Remember, people eat with their eyes. Let me just put that there. You see, even though I drained all the juice, look at that. There's still more juice in there. That shows to, so I'm telling you, chicken produce a lot of juice. So what I'm gonna go in next, I'm gonna put some parsley on there, just so it looks good. See that Papa Green? Can't tell me nothing. Alright guys, if I can zoom in on that. Alright guys, and this is how you make beautiful, get the light on that. So you make beautiful baked jerk chicken. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness. Lego.